Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot a specific widget. So this is what this guy wants. And yeah, so I made a tool to generate basically custom widgets. And so to test it out, I was going through the Get Help and just adding uh, just different scenarios here. So I put create a custom widget to take a screenshot of a widget, and yep, then it gives me this code, and then also gives you um, which package to install, and then so you'll just go here, you'll copy that, you'll get you'll use this to get the latest dependency basically, and then if you go to FlutterFlow, you'll just add it here, and then you can just copy the code here. I'll just do an example for this actually. So it might mess something up, but oh, okay, I have it in something. But yeah, once you copy this, you have to also copy. Yeah, let's go ahead and just to show you. Make sure I have 300 height. Okay. I need to show this part anyway, so let's go ahead and just delete this just as an example. Okay, yeah, so I'll show you that in a minute, but you'll copy the code, and then you'll notice anytime you create a new widget, this is like the name, so you just need to copy the class name here, and then paste it here. That way, when you click Save Widget, it will basically add the parameters here for you. Let me show you. It doesn't have parameters now, so if you do Save Widget, it's basically asking you if you want them to add the parameters for you. So click Yes, and you see it gave me, you can change the names, but you'll just have to change it here. It's better to just use the AI to do it. So yeah, this is using AI, my generator. And then it also has a action that you pass a file up to, which is bytes, which anytime you're using like any of the file based packages or anything, they always return the bytes. So yeah, so basically it just gives it a name. Yeah, it just came up with that by itself. But yeah, anyways, yep. And then another thing, you can compile it, but I noticed for some reason sometimes it doesn't. It gives you an error, so I'll just try it now. But yeah, actually, let me go over the demo. So let's push this down. Okay, I haven't added it to the. I'll show you how to add this to it. But anyways, this is the actual screenshot widget. So once you pass the child, that's just how it works. The screenshot package, it shows the actual widget. And I added a button, or I guess the AI added this button here to capture it. So you click that, then here's the screenshot. And then, so the way I'm handling that is, if you see, we have this action. I'll show you how to add it back here. So widget screenshot. I think I had a width infinity 300. The reason you don't want to do yeah, it depends on the height, because yeah, I'll show you in a minute. If I did 100% height, and basically this will show the whole screen. Let me just it basically, this card will take up the whole screen, and so when you screenshot it, it's going to screenshot the size of it. So yeah, basically you want to limit this however you want to. So however you want the size to be. But yeah, and for the screenshot child, I just created a component. So yeah, this has to be either a component you created, or it can be custom widgets as well. So yeah, I've never used a widget builder, so it's kind of cool. So I'm learning this too. But so the way I created that component, I just click new here, I click new component, and I believe it's card views. I just chose this one, and I just chose my theme. And then, yep, then I just added it. I chose that as a screenshot child because it takes a widget builder. And then also have page state on this page. So you can click on the outside of the canvas, or you can click on the top level widget. And then if you click here, I have image bytes as a state field, and then uploader file as the type. And so for the action, oh yeah, I didn't add it, so it's good. So I can show you. So add action, update state, update page state, and then we want to set that image bytes page state. And then we'll set it to the callback parameter, which is screenshot, if you remember in the code. Yep. And so I also have this image placeholder here, and to be able to show like bytes, I guess, you have to set the image type as uploaded file. And I chose image format. You may be able to use these, but I just chose image. And I chose this page state as the file. And then I just have contain, so it shows the actual size of the image, and then whatever. Yep. And then, okay, yeah, see. So yeah, you'll get this error, but it actually works. So I don't know. That happens more when I copy code. So yeah, a lot of times I do now see like on the community threads, I guess, people will try code from ChatGPT. It may be just not building correctly. And you can tell because usually if it's the error for this widget, I mean, it's only happening when I copy the widget, so that's weird. And it would just, and so yeah, I used it before without excluding this. So that's the way you'll handle it. You just exclude it and save it. But I'll show you the error first. If it shows unknown error compiling custom code, then I would just exclude it. But they mention that for a widget builder anyways, so yeah. Yeah, I guess they knew what the error was. It would show like a bug here as well. And then it would also show here. So yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, I just save it and then run it. And another thing to note with this is for the screenshot application, it uses toImage. Let me show you. So if you run it in web, this is a web thing only. So if you, let me see. Yeah, so once I click capture screenshot, I get this error. Unsupported operation toImage is not supported on the web. And so if you go to the screenshot GitHub, yeah, you can search this on the internet, but also if you just, it's easier if you know what the package is and you go to their website, or not their website, their GitHub repo. And then if you look in the issues, you can just search your error in the issues, and you'll probably find it. You may find it faster. I don't know. But yeah, basically they mentioned it only works with Canvas Kit, and they confirmed it here as well. So they're giving you this command to run it locally, like once you download the code, but they do have advanced web settings, and so I turned this on, but yeah, it still doesn't work. So maybe I'm thinking it only works once you actually deploy this. So I don't know. Yeah, I need to. Oh wait. Okay, this is actual Flutter, but I haven't tried it locally as well. But I'm thinking it just doesn't show when you do test mode, but once you actually deploy it online, or like publish it to Firebase. I believe they publish it to Firebase. But anyways, when you publish it with FlutterFlow, it should work, I guess. But yeah, just to show an example again. Yep. And then really you can do anything else you want with that since it's page state. But yeah, I'll share the code to this. And yep, that's all.